Hi, this is Autumn, and today we're going to be talking about personalization and using smart content in your digital marketing to better attract and score your leads and move them through your sales cycle. When we say personalization, what we mean is using customer data, like their name or their birthday or actions that they've taken on your website. And you can use that data in your marketing to personalize the content that they receive. So that means that you can have a subject line that says, "Hi, Sally," and you can also show them specific content based on the actions that they've taken. It's tailored to them. So for starters, it feels nice when a brand knows your name and gets your birthday right, but also they get content delivered to them when they need it, and it's the right content based on the actions that they've taken and the data that we have about them. Personalization is great for your sales and marketing team too. Your marketing team gets more data about how your leads are moving through their journeys, and it can shorten the sales cycle. CRMs are critical for personalization. You need a place that stores those first names, the company names, birthdays, but also what pages were viewed and what emails were opened. A CRM stores all of that in one contact record, which makes it really easy to personalize an experience. Personalization gives a tailored experience to the customer. So for example, if I know that Sally has opened an email related to her restaurant business and clicked on a link, then the next time she visits the website, I can have a smart content module that offers her a decision phase call to action because I know she's ready for that. Meanwhile, another customer who didn't open the email or didn't click the link can have a different CTA in that same module, maybe to watch a video or attend a webinar. He's not ready to make a decision yet, so I'm going to give him a consideration phase call to action. It's a tailored experience based on their personal journey.